this is the quarterfinal 7. I'm going to call the contestants out. First up is Aishwarya Mohanraj.
Hi. Had to
Hi.
come, right? Yeah, hi.
Yes, hi Aishwarya. Hi.
Hi.
Next up is Devaya Bopanna. Devaya, are you here? Devaya, oh my God, Devaya Bopanna is here. And next up alphabetically would be Shrija Chaturvedi. Are you here?
Yay.
Next up is and our last contestant for quarterfinal 7 is Tanmay Bhatt.
I didn't. KV, you were introducing in order of sexiness. I didn't know that. That's so sweet.
1 point.
Oh,
1 point to Tanmay already. 1 point for bringing this.
it's descending order of sexiness, right?
It's ascending order.
Shut
Ascending
the fuck
order
up.
of
It's
sexiness.
descending order. I've already decided.
Giving 1 point to Aishwarya also. I would have given 0.5, but I've realized that 0.5 are the worst when tallying the scores at the end. So 1 point for a nice comeback from Aishwarya. Okay.
Yes.
We're going to start now. We're not wasting any more time. Starting with Aishwarya. All the best, everyone. All the best, participants.
Thank you.
This is for Aishwarya. Okay. In which performing art is a tutu worn by female performers? Okay. So we're talking of performing art. And we're talking of certain very specific things that are worn by female performers. What performing art are we talking about? Okay, performing art is a tutu worn by female performers.
I want to say dancing.
Okay, can you be more specific? Because
Like what dance form?
yeah,
Huh.
I want a specific answer here.
Which dance form, na?
I mean, I like the track, but dance is too generic an art and a performing art form. I want
Correct.
a specific answer.
It's you know that fun dance.
Fun dance. Okay. I see an alternate film festival called Fun Dance Film Festival.
KV, are there minus marks for
Hey,
dumbness?
shut up. Shut up.
Asking. Just asking.
Okay, we'll pass to Devaya. Devaya, what is the performing art we are talking about?
Ballet.
Ballet is absolutely
Of course. Oh my
Ballet,
god.
ballet is when the female performer
Oh yeah.
they're wearing.
मुझे भी पता था
ए चुप कर श्रीजा. ज्यादा बोल मत ठीक है.
ठीक है ठीक
Okay. Okay. Ballet is correct. Devaya gets first 10 points of quarterfinal 7. We move to Shrija now. Shrija, this is your direct question. Which Greek epic tells the story of the Trojan War? Very direct question. You just need to tell me the Greek epic that tells the story of the Trojan War. We all know about Trojan War. We saw the movie Troy. We know the story of Achilles, Hector, Odysseus, and all that. What epic is it from? Which Greek epic tells the story of the Trojan War?
मुझे यार नाम तो नहीं पता है मैं ट्रॉन ही बोलने वाली थी so I think I don't know the answer.
Passing? Are you passing, Shrija?
Yes, I'm
Okay. Passes to Tanmay.
No clue. Pass.
Okay, passing to Aishwarya Mohanraj.
Is it Virus by Shakespeare?
What by Shakespeare?
Virus. Trojan virus.
Oh, it's an educated guess.
Okay, I'll give you 1 point for creativity for giving
Thank
a
you.
very email era reference.
Thank you. Thank you.
Going to Devaya now. Devaya, which epic?
The Troy Tales. No clue.
1 point to Devaya for childhood reference. Okay, this is only. Okay, I'll go one more round. We'll start with Shrija. This is a 5-point question now. Okay, so this was written by Homer. Okay, and Homer wrote like two, like just like Ramayana, Mahabharata in India. These are the two big epics in their universe. One is Odyssey. Okay, and one is this. Okay, it starts with I. Okay, it starts with I, written by Homer, and it is the most important epic in their literature or their history, their mythology, whatever you call it.
Iltutmish.
Okay, no, it's not Iltutmish. Goes to Tanmay.
I Troy Tales.
Okay, I have to resort to 0.5 now. So I'll give 0.5 to Srija for Iltutmish, 0.5 to Tanmay for Apple version of what Devaya said.
I'm too ashamed to accept that point.
Aishwarya, it's your turn now.
Ishak Zade.
Of course, 0.5 there for it's like epic tale and starts with I. And of course, it was written by Homer. So 0.5 to Aishwarya. Going to Devaya now.
I know. It starts with I don't know.
Oh wow! Okay, crazy.
There has to be minus points. KB, there has to be minus points.
This is 1 point. I'm giving 1 point to Devaya. Beautiful. I don't. Okay, I'll give the answer. No point stretching it. It's Iliad or.
No clue.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. No
Arey,
This was going to be my next guess.
problem. Okay. Fair. I think. Okay.
until Vishal Bhardwaj adapts this, I have no interest in it.
Giving 0.5 to Tanmay for Vishal Bhardwaj's appreciation of good adaptation. So next direct will be Tanmay's direct. How do we commonly call, or what do we commonly call the furcula bone in birds? Okay, so birds have a particular bone called furcula bone, but there is another very common name that we use to refer to this kind of bone. Okay, what is that term, or how do we refer to this bone in birds? There is a particular bone in bird that has a particular shape, very unique shape. And in common parlance, or like when we refer to that bird, we call it by another term, which is not that technical as furcula bone. What term do we use to refer to these bones?
Clavicle.
Not clavicle. I'll go to Aishwarya.
Beak.
Not beak. We'll go to Devaya.
Oh.
Wings. Not wings. We'll go to Shrija.
Hollow bone.
Can I re-attempt?
Yeah. I'll give you a hint. We'll take one more round. Okay. Shrija, did you guess anything?
No, मैंने hollow bones नहीं nothing. No.
Right. Okay, I'll give a hint. This will be a 5-point question now. So the hint is it's fork shaped. Okay, fork shape, and and you have to include the word bone. So word bone is there in the answer. So it's some bone like dash bone. So don't think of beaks or wings, or don't think of any like birds.
Can I answer?
Yes, Tanmay.
It's wishbone.
It is wishbone. Wishbone. This
वो
is
टूटता है ऐसा. Whoever gets the bigger chunk,
yeah.
their wish will be granted.
Yes.
Damn it.
So this is wishbone, which is the flexible.
Why did I say clavicle? What a stupid thing to say.
I thought you were going for a joke.
No, for some reason this shape
Please
reminded
give
me of
minus
clavicle.
points for dumbness. I think someone said
Wow,
that. Please,
great
please.
comeback.
Okay, Ishak Zadeh, good one. Yes, please do.
Hey, that was a joke only, okay?
Okay, I'm continuing. Going to the next question. This will be Aishwarya's direct because Tanmay got 5 points for the last one. Which word in common usage now originally meant water of life in Gaelic? Okay, so in Gaelic they used to call this water of life. What do we call it now?
I want to say elixir.
Not elixir. We'll pass to Devaya.
Okay.
I'm on air.
Vidya.
Oh, nice. I'm giving 0.5 to Aishwarya for quick observation and
Thank you.
quick autocomplete.
Beer.
Not beer. Good track. Passes to Shrija.
Oasis.
Not Oasis. Tanmay.
I'm the quiz. Wait. Beer, water. Is it? Will it be whiskey? Where
Absolutely
water.
correct. It is whiskey.
Fuck off!
Naveed,
Yeah, Devaya.
Beer was a good track.
I think Devaya should get half my points because
Yeah.
he really pointed me in the alcohol direction.
I thought Shrija will
Oh,
also
but
go with some
मैंने
and
तो
some.
फिर Oasis बोला ना.
Yeah, matlab from beer we went to Oasis, came back to whiskey. Okay, 10 points to Tanmay. Tanmay gets it right. It is.
I'm happy to split it with Devya, to be fair though.
No. I can't do that.
I was going to guess semen. Do I get points for that?
Aishwarya,
Yeah,
that's your water of life. Not
That
everyone.
is true.
1 point each. Aishwarya for bringing like literally life into picture,
Yes.
and Tanmay for that roast joke. Okay. We'll continue. Next question is for the Aishwarya. Okay.
Oh,
This
fuck.
newspaper, published in Calcutta, was established in 1875 by Robert Knight as an extension of an earlier paper, Friend of India. So basically, look at the clues. First clue is has to be a newspaper name published in Calcutta. So that is another way to eliminate. So you have to think of Calcutta-based famous newspaper established in 1875, which means has to be like really old newspaper, really old, respected, famous. And then the other hints, if they are useful to you, great. Otherwise, those are the main hints. Newspaper,
Okay,
Calcutta.
I'm gonna go with the first thing that I thought of. Times of India.
Okay, not Times of India. Times of India is Bombay-based. Next, Devaya.
The Statesman.
That is absolutely correct. It is the Statesman. 10 points. to
God
Devaya.
damn.
It's the
I don't think any of us knew. They should get 55 points.
Statesman is a Calcutta-based paper, like Telegraph, Statesman.
Yeah.
These are famous Calcutta-based paper. Okay, which means next direct will be for Shrija. Okay, Shrija, this is a history question. The remains of which ancient civilization were discovered at Machu Picchu in Peru? Okay, so we all know Machu Picchu is a famous tourist site now and one of the wonders of the world. People go there. It's in Peru, but the remains that are there in Machu Picchu are from which ancient civilization? Okay. Anyone else has any comment to make at any point? Feel free to break the silence. Okay, that's fine. That is allowed.
Can I say that I feel like it's Pikachu?
Giving 1 point to Aishwarya for a rhyming scheme for identifying the rhyming scheme of Machu Picchu and Pikachu.
I'll go with the obvious Harappan.
No, not that.
Of course, that's the obvious.
Pass to Tanmay.
Ancient, yeah.
No clue. I'm lost here.
Pass it to Aishwarya.
Oh, I also have to answer. Which ancient civilization?
Jigglypuff.
This Egyptian.
Not Egyptian. Devaya.
And Mayan civilization.
Wait,
Not Mayan. Not Mayan. So I'll take one more round with 5 points. Okay, so three civilizations in that part of the world. One is Mayan, and out of the other two, we have to guess now. And this one, I. Okay. This one
I.
starts with- This one
Again
starts with
starts
I.
with
I.
Again starts with I. Answer is
I think KV's just gone to Wikipedia page under I and framed all his questions.
We had ballet, Vishnu, statesman. None of them started with
Okay,
I.
Aishwarya Ishakzadeh is not a civilization.
Damn it.
Giving 0.5 to Tanmay for callback. And his love for Arjun Kapoor. Okay. Shrija, ancient civilization whose name starts with I.
Pass.
Passes to Tanmay.
No clue, dude.
Passes to Aishwarya.
Indus Valley civilization.
Oh.
Devaya.
And Icarus.
No. Okay, I'll give it out. It is Incas. Okay. So in that part of the world, there are Aztecs, Mayans, and Incas. Okay, those were the three civilizations. This is Machu Picchu, and Incas is the right answer. Okay, this was
Incas, anyone knows the answer, please message me.
wow.
There has to be minus points.
No,
Maybe
no.
there has to be minus points.
Give 1
Someone
point.
gave it.
It's
Thank
fine.
you.
Chada, I really.
Thanks,
Good one.
man. Thank you.
Incas. That was so good. Good.
Thanks.
Fine. Yes, Devaya had gotten statesman, which means Shrija. It was Shrija's direct. Next question will be Tanmay's direct. The English cricketer Basil D. Oliveira's visa refusal in 1968 led to excess exclusion from international cricket. Okay, what is X? So I will again explain. There's an English cricketer called Basil D. Oliveira. He was refused visa in 1968. Okay, for some reason he was refused visa. But this event triggered something, because of which X was excluded from international cricket. Okay, what is X?
Tulsi D. Jalapeno.
मेरा सवाल है.
I'm giving 2 points to Aishwarya for coming
Thank
up.
you.
Oh, like
Thank
Let's
you.
give 5 points to KV for giving points to Aishwarya every time.
Hey, I'm attempting over here, okay?
she's the
Please.
only one who is attempting. She hasn't guessed anything right so far. She still
Shut
has
up.
8 points. She still has 8 points by not. She's repeating what Pavitra did in the first quarterfinal. Pavitra
Yeah.
has earned some 20 points without answering any correct answer. She almost beat Anirban. Almost beat Anirban with just these wisecracks. Okay.
Thank you.
So what
Is it South Africa?
it is South Africa.
Oh, it is. Oh,
It is South Africa. South Africa refused visa to Basil de Oliveira, and that
got it.
triggered a lot of things. Tanmay got it. So next direct to Aishwarya. This is
Wasn't this my direct?
this was your direct and you got the right answer. So
Oh,
next
got it.
direct to-
Okay.
Aranya, Kishkinda, and Sundara are the divisions of which major epic? Okay, another epic question. Aranya, Kishkinda, and Sundar are the divisions of which major epic? Okay.
Chalo, there are two things I can guess out of this, okay? So firstly, I would like to give a shout out to Aranya Johar. Thank you so much. And secondly, I think I will go with Mahabharat.
No, I'm giving you 0.5 for bringing another celebrity in the quiz. Next up, Devaya. Devaya, your turn.
I don't know, Ramayana.
Yeah, it is Ramayan.
Abhi,
10 points to Devaya. As you can see, like Aranya Kand.
तू ही जिताएगी देवैया को.
Aranya means forest, and Kishkinda is the one where the monkeys also Kali, Hanuman, and Sundarkand का पाठ तो घर पे होता है अभी भी.
Nice one.
Devaya
Let
gets-
it be known.
0.25.
Aishwarya guessed Aranya Johar before Ramayan. Let it be known.
hey, I guess Mahabharat. There were two options.
That's why she got 0.5 and Devaya got 10.5. Srija's direct. And I'm going to Srija's roots. I'm going to Uttar Pradesh for this question. Which city located in Uttar Pradesh was founded by Sikandar Lodi in 1504 to serve as a base for campaigns against the Rajput state? Okay, so this is a history plus geography kind of a question. Sikandar Lodi, I'll give you extra hint, was a ruler based out of Delhi. So Sikandar Lodi dynasty was in Delhi, and then he needed a base to campaign against Rajput states, which were mostly in Rajasthan and like modern day Rajasthan and MP. And
Yeah, if Srija is passing, I'd like to guess.
Hey,
No,
one sec, I'm not past yet.
Okay,
Srija
sorry.
won't pass. It will be an insult to our Uttar Pradesh.
It is
Oh.
already, it's going to be. It's the
Anyways, it comes to me after this.
Banaras.
Not Banaras, passes to Tanmay.
It's Agra.
It is Agra because Banaras is a much older city. Agra is a more modern.
आगरा ने उसी टाइम पे बहुत कुछ उखाड़ा था. उसके
हाँ.
बाद आगरा का रेलेवेंस ऐसा थोड़ा गिरते गया.
Agra's heydays.
हाँ.
It is- Back
आगरा,
in the days.
yeah.
Okay, from Indian history, we are going to Russian history now, starting with Aishwarya. Which ruling dynasty was overthrown by the Russian Revolution?
Oh, sorry.
Really wonderful.
Okay, so what was the dynasty called that was overthrown by the Russian Revolution of 1917? Okay, so ruling dynasty was called something, and the Russian Revolution happened. Okay, which ruling dynasty was overthrown by the Russian Revolution? of
Russian Revolution of 1917.
Yeah.
So Russia mein there was someone else ruling, and they were overthrown.
Correct.
Yeah, this is just me guessing Mughal dynasty, but of course it's not. Okay, this is
Hey, what if it is?
it's not okay. Please.
Giving 0.5 to Srija for encouragement of fellow contestants. Always.
Sweet.
Sweet of heart.
French Revolution. I mean,
You can't just randomly say revolution. Going to Devaya now.
Romanov.
Romanov, yeah, like a good Kurgi drinker.
Yeah, it had to be the
all alcohol
Smirnoff.
brand. Romanov is a vodka brand. Devaya,
Smirnoff.
that's how Devaya knows it, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Romanov, Devaya gets 10 points. We pass to.
Hey, Devaya got whiskey also, huh? Previously.
No, I didn't.
Beer,
Not
beer,
whiskey.
sorry, beer.
Beer.
But I set everyone in the alcohol direction.
Yes.
Yeah, that's correct. Next up is Srija. Okay, from UP, we now go to MP. Okay. What is the full form of Mau. Okay, Mau is now renamed as Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. It was renamed in 2003, 4 times. It's a cantonment town. That's also a hint. It's a cantonment town in Madhya Pradesh. So Mau is a cantonment town in Madhya Pradesh, and the town we usually call it like Mau, but it's actually supposed to be an acronym for something. Okay, so what is the full form of Mau? It's like Noida. Okay, like Noida is a city, and lot of people don't know that it's actually an abbreviation. It's New Okhla Industrial Development Authority. So similarly, Mau, what is the full form? And the hint there is cantonment town. We have to
military headquarters.
Hey, can I reverse now, Shrija, if you allow? Otherwise, I'll reverse after this. Can this be Aishwarya's question? Because Romanov, Devaya got, or do you want to take a guess? I'm completely fine.
अच्छा मैं already गलत track पर ही थी क्या?
तुम क्या बोल रहे थे? Sorry, मैं तो reverse वाले track पर. बोलो.
Military headquarters.
हाँ, नहीं तुम सही track पे हो. So I will not reverse. It won't be fair. Go for it. What is your guess?
Military headquarters of West.
Very close. You'll get part points for sure, but that's not the right answer. But you will get part points. I'll go to Tanmay now. Tanmay, you already have a hint that Shrija is very close to the right answer.
Military headquarters of West Bengal.
No. Go to Aishwarya now.
Military headquarters of war.
Yeah, that is correct. It is
Oh,
wow.
इतना basic नाम कौन देता है यार?
War. But
I couldn't think of a name.
Yeah.
I'll give 6 points to Shrija and 4 to Aishwarya, because Shrija is the one who actually deduced.
पर मुझे भी पता था.
Yeah, that's why you're getting 4. Otherwise, they 8 points did. Okay, so Aishwarya got the second, like in the order. So next question will be to Tanmay. Okay, it's now reversed. The order now is Tanmay, Shrija, Devaya, Aishwarya. We'll go reverse now. Okay, Tanmay, your direct question. The real name of which Nobel Prize winner is actually Tenzing Gyatso? Okay, real name of which Nobel Peace Prize winner is actually Tenzing Gyatso?
It's the Dalai Lama.
It is the Dalai Lama. Absolutely correct. 10 points to Tanmay. It is the 14th Dalai Lama to be specific, the current Dalai Lama. Shrija, your direct. What sporting event held every 4 years first started in Chamonix, France in 1924? Okay, so we're talking about a sporting event which is done every 4 years. And the first edition of this event happened in France in 1924 in Chamonix.
Is it the FIFA?
It's not the FIFA World Cup. I'll go to Devaya.
Is this the Winter Olympics?
Absolutely correct. It is the Winter Olympics.
Nice.
10
Good
points
guess.
to Devaya.
Good guess.
Yeah. Because Summer Olympics started a bit earlier.
Yeah.
This is the photo from the 1924 edition of the Winter Olympics. 10 points to Devaya. Next question to
Shivaji Park.
Next question to Aishwarya. Which extinct bird, formerly found in Mauritius, finds mention as a character in Alice in Wonderland? Okay, so look at the clues. An extinct bird used to be found in Mauritius, not anymore because it's extinct, and also finds mention as a character in Alice in Wonderland. What bird are we talking about?
Fuck. I should have read Alice in Wonderland in school. The only extinct bird I know is dodo. Yeah, dodo is my guess.
It is dodo. 10 points
Fuck
to Aishwarya.
off.
Like
Oh no!
whatever you feel, just go for it. That is from Alice in Wonderland. There's a dodo talking to Alice.
Oh
Hey,
my
did you time
God.
this so Aishwarya guesses Dodo?
How can I ever manipulate this quiz
Too
ever?
good. Too
10
good.
points to Aishwarya.
Insane.
Next, direct to Tanmay. Okay. What name is given to a kind of word that has the same pronunciation as another word but a different meaning? Okay. What name or what is the term that is used to kind of words that have the same pronunciation but different meanings? What do we call them?
What the
Same,
fuck?
same, but different.
Same but different.
Yeah, she's breaking my flow.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, same but different.
It's given to a kind of word that has the same pronunciation as another word.
What a different meaning.
Namesake. No, fuck, no. Pass.
Pass it to Shrija.
Is it homonyms?
That is correct.
That's a good guess.
Beautiful. Very
That's
nice.
Great answer. I hand it to Anton.
Should have guessed this.
Yeah. There's some examples like click, dying,
Yeah.
fair. These are all homonyms. Okay. 10 points to Shrija. Thank you, Shrija, for getting
Thank you.
answer homonym. Next up is from 1821 to 1947. Which hill station served as the summer capital of the Madras Presidency? Okay, Devaya always complains that I don't have enough South Indian questions in my quizzes. Okay.
Ooty.
Yeah, Ooty. So the funda is like British people needed a summer capital when they were here because they want to go and chill. And 1947 ke baad se Chennai became the capital. Ooty is correct. Udagamandalam, yeah, yes, Devaya acknowledged that.
Udagamandalam.
Okay, I'm going to the Aishwarya for the next question. The name of which sausage literally means to salt in Italian?
I'm a vegetarian. This is not fair. You should have checked. No, sorry.
The name of which sausage literally means to salt in Italian?
Sausage. This penis. That's the only sausage I know.
You already got points for penis, so I'm not giving more points.
More points.
Penile reference. Going to Tanmay now. Tanmay?
Is it salami?
It is salami. Salami means to salt. 10 points. Sal is
Yeah.
Sal is salt. So, I think that could be the end. Okay, I'll add one more question. One more. Yeah. Okay, Shrija. One more question for you. Okay. What is the first month of the Islamic calendar called? Okay. What is the first month of the Islamic calendar called?
Ramzan?
Not Ramzan. Passes to Devaya.
Muharram
is correct. Yes, you
Arey,
are. So, yeah.
Did you know this or did you guess?
This was a guess.
This was a guess. Divya, your guesses today are just too good.
On point, yeah.
On point. Either you get it or you help others get it, which I love.
All the
But
vast
I'm glad everyone got at least one answer right.
Yes.
Which is great. I'm going to announce the results of the quarterfinals. Aishwarya is on 22.5.
Woo!
And Devaya is on 73.
Oh, wow.
The fuck?
Shrija is on 17. And Tanmay is on 60.
Oh, close.
So Shrija and I qualify, na, basically. Okay.
So before you guys leave, I will just tell you what are your slot. Semi-final 3. We'll have Srimay Das, Neville Shah, Tanmay Bhatt, and one more participant. In the last semi-final, we'll have Kanan Gill, Rahul Dua, and Devaya Bopanna. So Devaya goes to semi-final 4.
Very nice. Congratulations, guys.
And
Thank you.
thank you for all the participants who joined us. It means a lot to us that you came. And thank you to Tanmay, Devaya, and of course to Aishwarya and Shrija for being such support. And to
Aishwarya Ishaqzadeh was a funny joke. It made me laugh.
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
Ishan
before
Zadeh
we-
was-
Please let Arjun Kapoor know.
I will let him know. Pakka.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Bye, KV. Bye.
Bye.
KVOP in chat. KVOP in chat.
KVOP.
KVOP.
Okay, bye-bye.